Today we're diving into one of the most talked about topics right now, the global economic crisis. Are we heading for a recession? Let's explore this together. 2025 has seen turbulent times for economies around the world. From high inflation rates to fluctuating job markets, the signs of an economic slowdown are hard to ignore. But what exactly is a recession, and why are so many experts sounding the alarm? A recession is when an economy shrinks for at least 2 consecutive quarters. This means less production, fewer jobs, and lower consumer spending. Sounds pretty bleak, right? But is this what we're really facing? Indicators of a possible recession. First, let's look at the key warning signs. High inflation is one. Governments are raising interest rates to combat inflation, which makes borrowing expensive and slows down business investment. Next, we have unemployment rates. While many countries are still seeing low unemployment, there's growing concern that businesses may start laying off workers due to economic pressures. The stock market is another indicator. It's been volatile recently, with major indices fluctuating wildly. When investors are nervous, it usually signals underlying fears about the economy. Global impact. Who's affected? No country is immune to an economic crisis. Developing nations are particularly vulnerable, with debt payments rising and foreign investments slowing down. But it's not just about money, it's about people. Rising costs of living, especially for essentials like food and energy, are pushing millions into hardship. Could this be a long-term downturn? Now let's talk about whether we're heading into a prolonged recession. While some experts predict a global recession, others argue that the situation is more complex. Yes, there are challenges, but there are also signs of resilience. Many economies are showing growth in sectors like technology and green energy, which could be the key to recovery. What's next? The question isn't just whether a recession is coming, but how we prepare for it. Governments can take actions like stimulating the economy with infrastructure projects or providing financial support to the vulnerable. Businesses can adapt by focusing on innovation and sustainability. So, is the world heading for a recession? It's possible, but not certain. The global economy is facing significant challenges, but there are also opportunities for recovery and growth. The future is unpredictable, but one thing's for sure: we all need to stay informed and be ready to adapt.